In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find your lost AirPods case. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you a lot of tips to help you find your lost AirPods case. They are going to be primarily found through the Find My application. This is a feature specifically designed in the Apple ecosystem, and it is going to help you find accessories, devices, and so on connected to your iPhone, iPad, and other Apple devices. So to find your AirPods case with ease, open the application. In there, if you had your AirPods connected previously to your iCloud account, you will be able to find them in there. When you tap on the device, it will give you the exact location where they were last spotted or connected. You will be able to see the case location alongside the left and right AirPods. So all that you have to do there is tap on them and you will be able to see this approximate location. You will find further options on the menu that appears at the bottom of your screen. You will be able to play a sound where they will vibrate and you will be able to locate them with ease. You will be able to use the Find function and enable notifications by pulling up on this bar. But if the location is enough, just go over there and retrieve them. Now, if you cannot find them even after going to the location, I recommend using the play sound function, and if you still need additional help, use Find. So tap on Find and a new menu will appear. This is going to guide you to the location. So as you get closer to the AirPods case, the location is going to tell you nearby, and you will be able to use the functions of flashlight if you are in a dark area, or the function to play a sound if you are getting closer. Once you get close enough, they will be located, you will be able to retrieve them and stop this process by tapping the X icon. Now, if you haven't registered your AirPods case to an iCloud account, they won't be available here, so keep that in mind. You can also choose the Mark as Lost option. By activating Lost mode, they will be locked, so if someone else tries to use the AirPods, you will be notified and you will be able to go to the exact location on the ping that you receive. I hope I was able to help you on how to find your lost AirPods case. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.